In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up or change your payment capture settings in Shopify, whether you prefer to do it automatically or manually. Understanding how to effectively manage payment processing is crucial for the smooth operation of any e-commerce business, and I'll guide you through each step so you can decide which method suits your business best. Let's start by looking at how to change your payment capture settings. First, you'll need to navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're there, you'll want to head over to the Settings menu. Within Settings, look for the Payments section. Now, this is where you'll find the payment capture method, although it might sometimes be labeled as capture payment or something similar, depending on your specific interface. In this section, you'll encounter several options. There's the default option, which captures payments automatically right at checkout. This is often the simplest approach, ensuring that payments are processed immediately without any additional steps for you. Then, there's an option to capture payments automatically when the entire order is fulfilled. This might be especially useful if you want to ensure that everything is in place before the payment is finalized. Another option available, primarily for Shopify Plus users, allows you to capture payments automatically for each fulfillment. Finally, if you prefer a hands-on approach, you can choose the manual capture method. Choosing the right option depends on your business model. For instance, automatic capture at checkout is great for fast-moving businesses, ensuring cash flow is steady. Manual capture, however, offers more control, allowing you to check stock levels or customer details before finalizing the transaction, which can be beneficial for certain business types. Once you've decided which method best fits your business needs, be sure to save your setting to finalize the process. It's essential to remember this step because without saving, your chosen settings won't take effect, and you might miss out on the streamlined process you've set up. Next, if you've opted for the manual capture method and find yourself needing to manually capture a payment, here's what you do. Head to the Orders section within your Shopify admin dashboard. You'll be looking for any orders that are marked with the status authorized. This essentially means that the payment has been approved by the customer's bank, but has not yet been captured by your store. Open the corresponding order details page. Here, you'll find a button labeled Capture Payment. Clicking this will allow you to finalize the transaction, but it's crucial to keep in mind that this must be done before the authorization period expires. For Shopify payments, this authorization window typically lasts about 7 days, so make sure to act within this time frame to avoid missing out on the payment. By configuring these settings according to your needs and knowing how to capture payments manually when necessary, you can ensure that your Shopify store runs smoothly and efficiently.